So this is the Bolt.Earth Lite. QR code with MRP. Okay, MRP itself is 4499. This is what I paid. It's a 3.3 kilowatts unit. Its PCB version is 6.0. Manufacturing date, I don't think I see it. But yeah, the manufacturer is from Bangalore, so it is shipped directly from them. You can earn a lifetime of passive income by sharing your Bolt.Earth charging point with other EV users. Installing a Bolt.Earth Lite charging point is very easy and takes less than 30 minutes. Now that depends. Let's see what do we have inside. There is a tape here. A simple transparent tape. What do we have here? This is a charging point, no wiring included. Invoice, some 4 bolts, and this is the QR code which you can affix to scan, pay and charge. And I think one QR code is here, probably the same. Yeah, looks the same. This is for the app. This small QR is to download the app. This one is to pay for this particular unit. And this is the charging infrastructure. It is an ISI mark. Power input is 230 volts, 50 hertz. Max current is 16 ampere. Max power is 3.3 kilowatts. Lite Smart EV plug. I think you will have a normal 16 ampere socket here. I'll try to open. It's a bit tough to open. There you go. So it's a 5 ampere comes 16 ampere socket. 6 comes 16. This particular portion is basically rubberized, so probably to prevent water from going inside, and you can tightly shut it down, which is good to prevent water from seeping in. This probably is an emergency stop switch, and you have a probably 2.5 mm 3-prong wiring. Yeah, 2.5 square mm. Alright, so this is it. Let me check the documentation. How to install and initialize. Download user manual. Red push button. Private mode with private access. Start charging, red push button. Stop charging, red push button. Okay, so if it is for private access, you can start and stop just by pushing that button. Private charging with public access, on app scan, charge, red push button, or mobile app to stop. Public mode with public access, on app scan, pay, charge, and then red push button, mobile app. Alright. This is how you install and initialize. This is the documentation. You can pause and read. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. Alright. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.